What is up, guys? In this video, we're gonna be moving Mr. Brandon's Evo out of the garage. It's been sitting for probably like 3 years. We've got a built motor for it. Brandon, what are we moving?
Oh, a lot of shit.
Gotta move this giant truck.
One project after the next.
240, all sorts of stuff. Well, we got the Evo 8 out of the garage. Here she is. She has been in that garage for 3 years. Time to bring her back on the streets. Woo! That yellow is so hard. Time to get her on the trailer and bring her to the shop.
Tell us about this this build here.
So basically right now, it's got the invisible Bowmobile motor. But yeah, we've been Flintstoning it for the last couple of years, but we're getting there. Yeah. Beats your average Razor scooter. But yeah, I was thinking about, you know, doing some activities in here. But see what happens. Alright, so got the Evo in the shop last night. Kind of just went home. We were so tired. But we are going to get the stroker motor out of the box, put the timing covers on it, put the intake manifold on it, put the alternator on it, get it kind of assembled out of the car before we put it back in the car. That is our goal for today with that motor, and possibly throw the clutch on it. Brandon is the owner of that yellow Evo back there. Still got to order some parts for it. I know he wants to do like a double pump setup in the fuel system and a couple little things that he has to order for that car. So we're still waiting on some parts for it, but in the meantime, we're gonna do what we can to speed up the process. So let's go. All right, B, go ahead. Take your boxes apart. Take your 2.4 out. Well, if you ever wanted to see a Buschur 2.4 come out the box, tell him, B.
Oh yeah.
Brand new. Woohoo. Buschur 2.4, baby. You ready, B?
Oh, I'm ready.
All right. So far, B, what do we got done?
Got intake on, alternator on, throttle bodies on, all Buschur ported, you know what I'm saying? Buschur for the win.
Buschur
block.
2.4.
2.4 GSC cams. We get the FP red on there. Can't use those Toyota coils. We're going to GTR coils, you know what I'm saying?
GTR coil packs coming soon. But timing cover's on. Water pump pulley, alternator, tensioner, idler.
Valve cover's gotta go on once I get the bolts.
Yeah, it's coming along. Dipstick's in. You already know you got the port on it.
Ain't blowing no dipsticks out.
No dipsticks are getting blown out of here.
Not again.
Ported throttle body. With, tell them.
Gotta have thermal gaskets.
Thermal gaskets. It's coming along. It's coming along. Soon. It will be. Where is it? In that Evo. Soon. Needs a nice home. Right in here. But waiting on a couple more things. The bolts for the valve cover. And then we'll put it back in. But for now, we're gonna end it here until we're ready to put the motor
I'm gonna fight with you.
in the car. Peace.
Got a brand new beach, it's a brand new friends. Got a brand new bag, ho. That's a brand new lens, ho. Got a brand new